Welcome back to another episode of Current Affairs MCQs. Staying updated with current affairs is essential for success in any competitive exam. Let's discuss today's questions on recent happenings around the world. Which of the following statements are correct in respect of digital public infrastructure, DPI? 1. DPI refers to open and interoperable digital systems that enable delivery of public and private services at scale. 2. India Stack, including Aadhaar, UPI, and DigiLocker, is a key example of DPI in India. 3. DPI systems are meant to replace all private sector digital platforms. Select the answer using the code given below. A. 1 and 2 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 1 and 3 only. D. 1, 2 and 3. Answer A. Statement 1 is correct. DPI includes platforms that are open source, inclusive, and interoperable, enabling both governments and private players to build services at scale. Examples: UPI, which enables seamless digital payments across banks and apps. Statement 2 is correct. India Stack is a suite of APIs and digital tools forming the backbone of India's DPI. Aadhaar, digital identity, UPI, payments, and DigiLocker, document storage, are central to India's DPI model. Statement 3 is incorrect. DPI is not meant to replace private platforms. Instead, it supports and enables innovation by providing foundational digital rails. Private companies, example PhonePe, Google Pay, build on DPI platforms like UPI. Consider the following with reference to the mission Lifestyle for Environment. 1. The mission was launched by India and is being implemented only at the national level. 2. It promotes a shift from a use and dispose economy to a circular economy through individual behavioral changes. 3. Mission Life focuses only on environmental regulations and excludes citizen participation. How many of the above are not correct? A. Only 1. B. Only 2. C. All 3. D. None. Answer B. 1 and 3 only. Statement 1 is incorrect. While Mission Life was launched by India in partnership with the United Nations, it is intended to be a global movement, not just a national initiative. Statement 2 is correct. Mission Life aims to transform consumption patterns by encouraging people to adopt mindful, eco-friendly habits. Statement 3 is incorrect. Mission Life actively promotes citizen involvement. It seeks to turn environmental consciousness into a mass movement by encouraging people to make simple daily changes like conserving energy, avoiding single-use plastics, and using public transport.